grip, glide, and go. Fullway HP108 tires keep you rolling smooth. Sick of tires that wear out faster than your morning coffee cools down? The Fullway HP108 All-Season Tire is built for year-round reliability, handling everything from summer scorchers to rainy roadways with ease. Its advanced tread design ensures maximum road grip, giving you that sweet balance of performance and durability. Unlike cheap, low-quality tires that leave you slipping and sliding, these tires hug the pavement like a dream, rain or shine. Plus, with an affordable price tag that doesn't sacrifice quality, you're getting premium performance without the premium price. Ever felt like your car has a mind of its own on the road? The Fullway HP108 enhances steering response and driving stability, making every turn feel smooth, effortless, and controlled. Thanks to its asymmetrical tread pattern and reinforced sidewalls, this tire offers exceptional handling at high speeds while protecting your rims from curb damage. Whether you're weaving through city streets or cruising down highways, this tire keeps you in charge. No more white-knuckle rides, just confidence, control, and a driving experience so smooth, you'll actually enjoy your commute. Who needs a noisy, bumpy ride when you can glide in peace? The Fullway HP108's optimized tread pattern minimizes road noise, giving you a quieter, more comfortable drive. Unlike some tires that drone like a jet engine at high speeds, these are designed for a whisper-quiet ride, making long drives and daily commutes more enjoyable. Soft riding yet tough enough to handle performance driving, it's a perfect balance of comfort and capability. Whether you're in the city or on the open road, expect luxury-level smoothness at a budget-friendly price. You wouldn't buy a tire that falls apart after a few thousand miles, would you? Fullway HP108 tires are built to last, designed with high-quality rubber compounds that resist wear and tear. The 4-ply construction and reinforced load range SL rating ensure they can handle whatever the road throws at them. Unlike lesser tires that need replacing every season, these go the extra mile, literally. If you want a tire that lasts longer, performs better, and keeps your wallet happy, this is it. Big-name brands love charging you an arm and a leg, but Fullway delivers top-tier performance without the bloated price tag. These tires are rigorously tested for safety, durability, and handling, ensuring you get high-end performance at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend warrior, or highway traveler, these tires provide everything you need: stability, speed, silence, and savings. Ready to upgrade your ride? Click Add to Cart now and experience the difference of Fullway HP108 tires today.